This time we will study the conic section ellipse. The equation of an ellipse, if it is horizontally oriented and whose center is at the origin, is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared. If it is vertically oriented, the equation is y squared over a squared plus x squared over b squared is equal to 1. Let us take some example. The graph is vertically oriented. Its center is at the origin. The length of the major and the minor axis are 10 and 6 respectively. Find the equation of the ellipse. First, you have to find out or to look for the given. So the center is at 0 and 0. The length of the major axis is 10. The minor axis is 6. And of course, the orientation is vertical. So since it's vertical, we make use of the equation y squared over a squared plus x squared over b squared is equal to 1. The major axis is 10 is equal to 2a. So to solve for a, by multiplicative inverse, 2a is equal to 10, a is equal to 5. To solve for b, by multiplicative inverse, 2b is equal to 6, b is equal to 3. We can now solve for the equation. By substitution, so we substitute a with 5 and b with 3. So we get y squared over 5 squared is equal plus x squared over 3 squared is equal to 1. So the result is y squared over 25 plus x squared over 9 is equal to 1. The graph of the equation looks like this. So as you can see, if you're going to count the number of units from the center to the edge of the major axis, it counted 5 units. From here to here, that's 5 units. So a is equal to 5. Then from the center to the edge of the minor axis is 3, which is equivalent to your b. Now to get or to write the equation of an ellipse into its general form, all we have to do is to eliminate fraction. So we multiply both sides by the least common multiple of 25 and 9. So 25 times 9 is 225. So 225 times y squared divided by 25 is 9. And 225 times x squared divided by 9 is 25. While 1 times 225 is 225. So by additive inverse, we get negative 225. So the general equation is 25x squared plus 9y squared minus 225 is equal to 0. So again, to find the general equation of the ellipse, so we just eliminate fraction. Now if we're going to look for the standard equation, so we have to write it into this form. So from here, so we have 25 x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 225. So divide it by 225. If you're going to divide 25 by 225, the result is 9. And if you're going to divide 9 by 225, the result is 25. So we will arrive in this. Now what if the graph is horizontally oriented? So if it is horizontally oriented, we will make use of the formula x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. Now we will make use of this equation rather. So still our major axis is 10, which is equal to 2a, and our minor axis is 6, which is equal to 2b. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. And of course our equation, we just by substitution, x squared over 5 squared plus y squared over 3 squared is equal to 1. So the result is this one. X squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. So our graph, it is horizontally oriented. You notice that from the center to the edge of the major axis, it counts 5 units. So 5 is equal to a. And from this center going to the edge of the minor axis, it counts 3 units. So 3 is equal to your b. So our general equation of the ellipse is 9x squared plus 25y squared minus 225 is equal to 0. How did you get it? We just eliminate fraction. Again, we just eliminate fraction in our standard equation of the ellipse. So we make use of the least common multiple. So that is 225. So 225 times x squared divided by 25 is 9x squared, while 225 times y squared divided by 9 is 25y squared. Then 1 times 225 is 1. No, rather 225. So the result is this one. 9x squared plus 25y squared minus 225 is equal to 0. Now, if you are going to look for the graph of the two equations, so if it is vertically oriented, the graph is this one. If it is again, if it is horizontally oriented, the color is green, and if it is vertically oriented, the color is somewhat lavender or blue.